everyone, and welcome back to A Square. So in the last video we did until question number 11. Then I thought question number 12 to 20, it's a bit too easy. So if you have any doubts, you can write it down in the comment box below. Right, adults, they are always like, oh, we know the answer to this, we know the answer to that. But then, when we ask the question, how? They're like, let me just check YouTube. Wait. Okay, yeah, right. So in this question, I think I became one of the adults. Because in 5 divided by 5 divided by 5, I know that the answer is 1 by 5 because 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 1 divided by 5 is 1 by 5. But I don't know how. Because if 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5, then 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 1, right? So if I do 5 divided by 5, 1, then 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So I just don't know that. I know that I'm correct, but I just don't know why am I not wrong. Okay, so if any of you know the answer to this, then please write it in the comment box below. So I thought that question number 22 to 29, it's super easy again. So if you have any doubts, you may write it in the comment section below. So, question number 30 is, X is the number of two-digit numbers formed by 3, 5 or 7. Alright, so 3, 5, 7. Then, the question says, when the repetition is allowed, Y is the number of two-digit numbers formed by 3, 5 or 7 when the repetition is not allowed. Find how much X exceeds Y. So you remember in a similar kind of question, we said that God gives a blessing that there is no repetition. Well, I think so God didn't want to keep the blessing continued. So let's first find the value of X. So you remember in the previous type of question, we did keep 3 stationary, then swap this, keep 5 stationary, swap these two, keep 7 stationary and then swap the others, right? Well, today I'm going to be telling you a different trick. So 3-digit numbers means hundreds, tens and ones, right? So I'm just going to write that. Hundreds, hundreds, tens and ones. So in the ones place, we can play with all 3 digits, right? So I'm just going to write 3. 3 numbers you can play with. Then in the tens place, if we use up 1, since it's repetition, we can do it again. So 3 and then 3 again. Alright, so in hundreds, again we can repeat. So 3 digits we can play with again. So now we multiply this to get 3 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18.
Adit, I admire your
stupidity.
Exactly. 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 18. Can you make your channel as D square?
What is
Dumb square?
No, thank you.
Then tell me what is the right answer.
Can you explain?
What? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27.
Okay. So sorry viewers about the miscalculation. So it's 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. Okay, so
Now write without repetition. How many numbers can be formed without repetition?
So 27 is equals to x. Now, to find y, we need to find the number of numbers we can make with 3, 5 and 7 with no repetition. So let's write again hundreds, tens, ones. Alright, so in the ones place we can again play with 3 numbers, right? So 3. In the tens place, since one of them got selected here, so we have 2 numbers to play with, so 2. In hundreds place, since 2 numbers are selected, we have 1 number left, so 1. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6. So when we multiply this, we get 6. So now it's 6 is equals to y. And we have to find how much is x greater than y. So to find that, we subtract 27 and 6 and the answer is 21. So the answer to question number 30 is 21. Okay. Next, let's move on to question number 39. Again, if you have any doubts in any of the questions between 31 and 38, you can ask the doubt in the comment section below. So, question number 39.
I think 39 is also easy.
Let's at least tell the viewers the question. So, P is an integer in meters representing 17 meters below level. Q is an integer in rupees representing a withdrawal of 27. R is an integer in money again representing a gain of 43 rupees. So we have to find P minus R, Q minus R and P plus Q.
The absolute value of P minus R, then Q minus R.
And the absolute value of P plus Q. Alright, so P is equals to 17 meters below sea level. So the sea level is always denoted as 0 meters. Then if you go above sea level, it means the number is rising. It will go 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And if you go under, it will go under the sea. It will go -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. So it's 17 meters below sea level. That means P is equals to -17 meters. Okay. Then Q is an integer representing in dollars, in rupees. Okay. So if in representing withdrawal of 27. Withdrawal means subtracting, taking. So we can write it as rupees -27. Then R is an integer of gain of 43 rupees. So we can write rupees 43. So now that we have found the values of all these, we have to find the absolute value of P minus R. So we have to find P minus R. So P is...
You didn't write absolute P वो नहीं किया तुमने. You wrote the question wrong.
How?
पहले ऐसे लिखो.
Okay, so I forgot to write the symbol of the absolute value. This is the symbol of the absolute value, okay? 2 lines, and then between the 2 lines we write the number. So P is negative 17. So if you want to find the absolute value of negative 17, it's going to be 17. So the absolute value basically means just ignoring the symbol and just the number. So negative 17 and R is equals to 43. So it's equal to 17 minus 43, which is again equal to 24. Mom, I did a mistake, okay? It's 26, sorry.
And that's it? That's the only mistake you have made?
30.
Remember this.
Okay, let's just do it this way. 43 minus 17.
Really, Adit, sign of 43 is minus.
That's the mistake. So the sign of 43 is minus, and the bigger number sign is always used. So minus 26. So but we have to find the absolute.
No, where did it say? This is the difference. Absolute of P is 17. And
Okay.
if they would have said absolute of P minus R, then the answer would have been minus 17 minus 43. This is equals to minus
26.
minus 26. देख तो लो question. 60.
Nice.
Then absolute will be 60.
Okay. So if this was the question, then the answer would be minus 60.
Minus 60.
60, that's what I said. Mom. Okay, and then, but the answer to this is negative 26. Okay, yeah. So, see you soon. This is A Square signing off.